Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walmart for the week. So I was able to get all of these items for free and made over $6 buying it all. Of course, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. But I actually have a question for you. I've been thinking about this for a while now. My Walgreens videos that I do on Monday tend to be my most popular. So if you haven't checked out that video, definitely check it out because I was able to score a bunch of stuff and made like $15 buying it all. My Walmart Wednesdays don't get as many. And so I'm wondering, would you prefer to see them a couple days later on Friday? So I am open to doing it on Friday versus on Wednesday. If you don't mind, drop me a note below and just let me know, hey, Friday sounds awesome. No, don't do that. I love the Wednesdays, or I don't care, do whatever you want. That would help me, and I want to make sure that I am giving you guys what you want. So if you would like that move, just let me know down in the comments below. This was back to school week for us, so I am kid-free. And super sad about that, as you can tell. So let's talk about these deals. Lots of Ibotta deals. I ended up getting the midweek marker bonus for $5 when I got 18 different rebates. So that $5 is included in this haul. Lots of good food deals too. So the Barilla, I mentioned this in the Walgreens video. You can also do this deal over at Walmart. These are priced at $1.68, and Ibotta is giving $1 back, and the limit is 5. So that would make it 68 cents each. Now, if you are going to buy multiple, there is also $1 back on 4 coupon that you can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get an additional $1 back when you're purchasing 4 of these. So I just bought one at Walmart for a total of 68 cents. A couple of great deals popped up this morning, so I actually ran to the store this morning. One of those deals was on these Flintstone vitamins. So the cheapest ones that I found that qualified for the coupon and the rebate were these like old school chewables. I feel like I took these as a kid. $5.86 is the price on these. There is a $3 coupon that I have linked for you in the video description box below. There is also a $3 coupon on the coupons.com app. You can use one or the other, but not both. So I ended up submitting my receipt to the coupons.com app and I got $3 back. I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got $3 back on Ibotta, making this completely free and a 14-cent moneymaker. Now, if you aren't using Ibotta, and I've said this a couple times recently because this is the highest bonus that I've seen them do, grab it using my referral code because you will get an additional $10 back when you sign up with the referral code and scan your first receipt. So that is a huge, huge bonus. So if you've been thinking about it, definitely grab it now. It's a great time to do so. I don't know how long that $10 back will last, but I promise to let you know when I know. All right, another food deal, and if you followed me, you know I have an obsession with these, so I'm going to have to hide them so I do not eat them. $1.98 for the flips. These are the ones that I found up by the registers at my store. There is a 75-cent coupon in this week's Smart Source, so you would pay $1.23, and there are 2 different apps giving rebates for this. The Ibotta app will give you 75 cents back. The Shopkick app will give you 120 kicks back, which is equivalent to 48 cents, making this bag completely free. So Shopkick, every 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. If you're not using Shopkick yet, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get 250 kicks additional back when you use that code. I also have a full tutorial on how to use that app. Let's keep talking about food. Gum isn't really food, but you know what I mean. Okay, so these are priced at $1 each. The extra gum, again, up by the registers. I grabbed 2 of them for $2. There is a $1 off 2 coupon that you can print from coupons.com. So you pay $1 and you'll get $1 back on Ibotta, making it completely free. Now, when I did this, the rebate was 50 cents back on each, so it was $1 back. I noticed this morning that mine had dropped to like 25 cents back, so just check and make sure yours still says 50. If not, you would end up paying 25 cents each out of pocket. Another great food deal, these wee yogurts, which I think are really good. They're priced at $1.34 each. Now you're gonna wanna buy 4 of them. So you can see I bought 4 of them. That will take your total to $5.36. Now I have linked a printable coupon for you for $1 off 4. So you will pay $4.36 at the register. Ibotta will give you $1 back for each of these, so that's $4 back on Ibotta. I also got a 50-cent bonus from Ibotta when I bought all 4 of these. So I got $4.50 back from Ibotta, and then I got $1.50 back on the Fetch Rewards app for spending at least $5. So that made my total completely free and a 64-cent moneymaker for these yogurts that are priced at $1.34 each. So awesome, awesome deal. Fetch is another fantastic app. Of course, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get additional money back when you use that referral code. I also have a complete tutorial on the Fetch Rewards app. If you would like to see that, I can link it for you in the video description box below. All right, I think that was most of the food stuff. I'm gonna tell you about the Swagbucks offers at the end. So the Band-Aids that I grabbed, these first honey Band-Aids, you'll find them with all the other Band-Aids in the store. They're priced at $5.96, but there are 2 different rebates that you can get with this item. There is a $3.50 rebate on Ibotta, as well as 520 kicks back on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $2.08, making this just 38 cents. Now, I'm always looking for the items that are the lowest cost that still get me toward my Ibotta bonus. So I thought that was a good one to go ahead and grab. This is another one, these Dixie Ultra cutting boards. So these are like disposable cutting boards. I have not used them yet, but on those nights where you just don't want to do dishes, I could totally see me using this, or if you're doing a picnic or whatever, lots of different options for this. But these are $4.48, and the best thing was, if you can see this little circle here, there was a $1 peelie on here. So I paid $3.48 at the register for these guys, and then I got back $2.50 on Ibotta, making this pack of 10 just 98 cents. Let's talk about this Bic razor. This is another one that popped up this morning. When I grabbed the Flintstones, I grabbed the Bic razor. These are priced at $5.97. There was a $3 coupon for Bic razors in the August 1st Smart Source, so I paid $2.97, and then I got $3 back on Ibotta, making this free and a 3-cent moneymaker. These Johnson's baby soaps, so these are priced only at $1.92, and there was a $2 coupon in the 8/15 this week's Smart Source, so this was free and an 8-cent moneymaker. Let me tell you about the personal care. So the U by Kotex Click tampons. So these are normally priced at $3.84. Now, so when you buy 2, there is a coupon for $4 off 2. Again, I have it linked for you in my printable document. You would pay $3.68 for both of them after that coupon, but then you're gonna get $2 back on Ibotta for each one, so $4 back on Ibotta, making both boxes free and a 32-cent moneymaker. Similar deal with the Tampax tampons. So you want to buy 2 of them. as you can see, these boxes are kind of smushed. My store didn't have many left. They're priced at $3.97 a box. So 2 of them will cost you $7.94. There was a $3 off 2 coupon in the August Procter & Gamble insert. So I paid $4.94, but Ibotta gave me $3 back per box. So $6 back total, making both boxes free and $1.06 moneymaker. Okay, so I think I talked about everything except Swagbucks. So I know some people don't like Swagbucks because sometimes it can take a little bit longer to get your money back from them, but I have continued to do Swagbucks rebates, and I have 2 different ones that I'm going to tell you about. This one I did a couple of weeks ago. These are the Werther's Original Sugar-Free Mini Flip Boxes. These are up by the register. They're priced at $1.48 each, so buying 2 of them is $2.96. There is a Swagbucks offer for $3 back when you buy 2, so it makes them both free and a 4-cent moneymaker. The other deal is on these Kaboom with OxyClean. So you want to grab 2 of them. So these are priced at $3.48 each. So total for 2 is $6.96. But Swagbucks is giving you $8 back. So they're going to pay me to buy it. I'm going to go ahead and grab it, which made both of these free and $1.04 moneymaker. The best part is both of those Swagbucks deals processed immediately, and so I got my money immediately, which was awesome because you know if you've done Swagbucks offers before, they don't always happen right away, and sometimes you have to submit for review, and that just becomes a pain. So anyway, great haul at Walmart this week. All of these items, I haven't even added up the retail value. I'll do that before I post the video. But a lot of stuff for free and over a $6 moneymaker with that $5 midweek marker bonus is now what they're calling it. I still want to say midweek moneymaker. So fantastic haul at Walmart. Do let me know in the comments below if you want me to stick with Wednesdays or move the video to Fridays, or no preference. Would love to hear your thoughts on that. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as over on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. Thanks.